Hello and welcome to Ready Tech. Today we are going to how to test the earth fault loop impedance. Various methods. I am your host GP Reddy and I'll be guiding you through this video. Let's get started. What is earth fault loop impedance? EFL. EFA. What impedance refers to the electrical resistance in the earth path of a circuit measured when a fault occurs between live conductors and the earth ground. When the line, live, phase or hot wire makes contact with the external metallic body of a machine, an earth fault occurs and the protective device must strip and isolate the circuit from the mains power supply to protect the person who accidentally comes into contact with the body. The earth fault loop impedance test is a fundamental procedure in electrical testing aimed at evaluating the effectiveness of protective measures within an electrical circuit. This test involves measuring the impedance or resistance encountered by fault current when a fault occurs between live conductors and the earth. By determining this impedance, electricians will select and install proper and rated protective devices such as circuit breakers, residual current devices, RCDs, and ground fault circuit interrupter GFCIs, according to the codes to promptly detect and isolate earth faults, preventing electrical hazards. Types of earth fault impedance test methods. The two-wire high current test is a basic and most used method for determining earth loop impedance in electrical installations. In this test, a high current up to 20 A is passed through the circuit under test using only two connections, the line and neutral. By applying a high current, the resistance of the circuit is accurately measured, providing essential information about the integrity of the electrical system. The three-wire no-trip test is a comprehensive method for measuring earth loop impedance in electrical systems without causing RCD or circuit breaker tripping. This test involves connecting the line, neutral, and earth wires to the tester, allowing for accurate measurement of the impedance across the entire circuit. The two-wire no-trip test is a simplified method for measuring earth loop impedance in electrical circuits without bypassing the RCD or RCBO to avoid unwanted tripping. This test involves connecting only the line and earth wires to the tester, bypassing the neutral connection. By using this approach, electricians can obtain a quick and accurate measurement of earth loop impedance without disrupting the electrical system's operation. The four-wire grid Kelvin connection impedance test is an advanced with high degree of accuracy method used to measure earth loop impedance in complex electrical systems. This test involves utilizing four connections, line, neutral, and two additional sense wires. The sense wires are used to measure the voltage drop across the circuit under test accurately, eliminating any errors introduced by the resistance of the test leads. In short,